Hello everyone, my name is Xavier and I'm a biotechnologist from Barcelona. I am specialized in food, process and environmental biotechnology. Right now I'm doing my EnvEuro master program, the Master for Environmental Science in Europe, which I started in Copenhagen. I moved to Boku to conduct the specialization of soil science here in Vienna. As my main interest is the bioremediation of radioactive waste and also environmental radioactivity, I challenged myself to get an internship in the IAEA, the International Agency for Atomic Energy, that is also hosted in Vienna. And yes, after a few months of wait, I got a position, an internship position, for conducting my master thesis. Here in the Cybersdorf laboratories outside Vienna, I'm analyzing the radiocesium interception potential of Japanese and European soils. This parameter will help us to create a new protocol, a new global protocol for food safety. This is a key project of our department here, which is a joint division for nuclear techniques between the IAEA and also the Food and Agriculture Organization. The research that I'm doing here is helping me to get laboratory skills, but also lots of knowledge in soil science that I hope they will help me also in my academic future, as my main interest is to do a PhD of radionuclides in soil. I'm really enjoying this amazing experience, and I hope that this will help you also to get insights about what you can do in the future. I really send you a warm hug from Vienna, and I hope you enjoy the ELS conference there in Uppsala. Cheers.